Excellent. Today we are going to see one more question from our subscriber, Murali Krishna. So he has asked one doubt regarding the formation of SQL query. Okay. So what I did, first we will go through the question and the scenario. Based on that, I have prepared some content that I will explain how we are going to provide the output. Okay, so here I have taken the question. Eh, what he is saying, you have two tables. One table is user ID and author IDs, and the second table is post. And here author ID is a foreign key, and he wants the post sort by the author and need only user following author post. So what I try to understand from his question here, he wants like Facebook and Twitter homepage feeds. So basically what we need, like, we have to create one, we have a user. There are three major parts in this particular use case. One is user and post and user followings. So from here, user has the details of the particular user informations, and post contains its content and the user who is created the post. Okay, after that, the user following is nothing but the followers of that particular user. Okay, here the author ID is nothing but the user ID. Okay, in the users table. So the same structure, I have created a sample sample diagram, database and diagram. So let's see here. So the same, what I have created, I created three tables. One is user table, which contains the user data, and post tables, so which contains the post content and the status, whether it is active or not, and the user who created the post. Okay, and the user followings, so each user having how many followers. Okay, so the user ID and the following user ID. So the follower also is one of the our user in our system. Okay, so this way. And what I have done is I made some sample data inserted into the table. So first, let's see how many users are there. So for that, I have created 5 users with a different username, like user 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then their mobile numbers and everything, and post. So each user has some user post. So here we can see how many users. So here we can take the user and see, user 1 has how many posts. User 1 has 4 posts. Okay, and user 2 has 2 posts. Okay, so user 3 has 3 posts. Okay, so like, and then we have a follow user followings, so the number of followers. Okay, so here if we can check out here, user has the follow user 1 has 2 followers. Okay, so the following user id is 2 and 5. Let's say here user id 1 has 2 and 5. These two are following user 1. So this is the sample structure I have created. So from that, what is his query is, he wants post sort by author. Author is nothing but the person who created the post. Okay, and then need only the following author post. So whoever following this user, their post we have to do. Okay, so for that, I have made this query, and I will explain that this query how it is working. Okay, so so currently I took the user id 1. Okay, so I'm going to take the user ID 1. Okay, so currently in this particular user 1 has total 4 content posts he is having, and he is having two followers. So two followers. So from his what he want to achieve is to get only users following author post. Okay, so if user one is there, whoever following the user one, he wants their post. Okay, so what for that what I did, first I will go for this you know post, and I'm selecting the values, and I'm doing the inner join. Okay, so from this we will collect the basic details. Okay, like user id, full name, username, post id, post content, and the date the post is created. Okay, now we want the user id to be 1, right? So for the first user id we are going to select it. So if I select this one, we will be getting the user id 1 records, right? They he is having four no four active records, right? If you see here, the same result we will apply it when we run this uh, when we run this data. So the next step, what he was asking, he wants to see only the following of the data. So whoever following the user id 1, currently we have two users are following them, right? So for that what I did, I have added the post user id and the number of followers for the user id 1 from this user following table. Okay, and so for this, if we select this one, we will be getting user id 1. Okay, for first four records for this user, and the followers is 2 and 5. So for the follower 2, he has two posts. Okay, and he is having user 5 has one post. So all these records are available right now. Okay, so this is the one. So if to precisely what he wants is, we can comment out this user id and the or condition. Okay, if we remove this or condition, we can put it here like this. Okay, maybe this will help out. Okay, so if we remove this or condition, only the user one followers, two and three, 2 and 5 are the followers of user one. So those records are being fetched. Okay, post records are being fetched, and we can display that. So this is the structure that we are we have created. So currently we have formed these two queries, and this is the way it is working. So to be precisely, so this is the first level. So from this we can enrich our database design based on our needs. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Murali, for asking this question, and hope I answered for your question. Thank you very much. Please do let me know if you have any other questions and clarifications required. Please comment it out, and I will try to answer your question. Thank you very much. Thank you, Murali.